Imagine waking up with a brilliant app idea, say, a personal finance tracker that nudges you when you're about to splurge on yet another unnecessary gadget. The catch? You have zero coding experience. In 2025, that's no longer a deal breaker. Welcome to the era where your imagination is the only prerequisite for app development, thanks to the power of AI and no-code platform. Vibe coding. Enter vibe coding, a term coined by Andrej Karpathy, co-founder of OpenAI and former Tesla AI lead. This fresh approach flips traditional programming on its head. Instead of manually writing syntax-heavy code, you simply describe your app idea in plain English and the AI figures out the rest. Karpathy captures it best when he says, "I just see things, say things, run things, and copy-paste things, and it mostly works." It's coding without coding, a conversation where your thoughts are the blueprint, and AI turns them into logic. Whether you're building a to-do list app or a complex scheduling tool, vibe coding makes the process feel more like chatting with an assistant than engineering software. Choosing the right tools. To bring my idea to life, I had to build a toolkit, an arsenal of AI-powered platforms that could take me from concept to completion without a shred of code. First up was Bubble, a visual programming platform that let me design and build web applications by dragging and dropping elements like I was playing with digital Lego bricks. It's powerful, flexible, and ideal for someone like me who knows what I want but doesn't speak the language of code. For the mobile side of things, I turned to Thunkable, which makes app building as simple as snapping together logic blocks. Its interface felt like magic, turning my messy ideas into sleek screens that actually worked. Then there was Glide, the unsung hero of spreadsheet-based apps. It let me convert a simple Google Sheet into a fully functional app within hours, yes, hours. These platforms didn't just empower me to build, they gave me the confidence to keep going. No syntax errors, no bugs to debug, just me, my vision, and a few smart tools doing the heavy lifting. Building the app. Turning an idea into a fully functioning app was a thrilling process, especially when you're relying on AI to handle the hard parts. It all began with ideation. I wanted an app that could help people track their daily water intake, set hydration goals, and send gentle reminders when they'd forgotten to drink. Simple, useful, and totally doable. Next came design. Using Bubble, I created a clean and user-friendly interface, complete with customizable layouts, buttons, and progress bars that aligned perfectly with the vision I had in my head. Then came the real magic functionality. With Thunkable, I used drag-and-drop logic blocks to make everything work behind the scenes. It handled user input like a pro, logging water entries and updating hydration goals in real time. For AI integration, I brought in Glide, which let me link the app to a Google Sheet. This powered real-time data updates, analytics, and user-friendly displays, all without writing a single formula. Finally, after rigorous testing and deployment, I ironed out the kinks, ensured everything flowed smoothly, and pushed the app live. Just like that, my hydration tracker was ready for the world. Real-world success. The no-code revolution is transforming the startup landscape in 2025. In Y Combinator's winter batch, 25% of startups used codebases that were 95% AI-generated, proof that AI is no longer just assisting, it's building. Entrepreneurs now launch apps in days, not weeks, often skipping traditional dev teams altogether. This trend isn't limited to Silicon Valley. Creators from all over the world are turning ideas into products without writing a line of code. The result? An explosion of innovation, where barriers are gone and imagination drives the next wave of app success. The democratization of app development. AI-powered no-code platforms are doing for app development what the printing press did for literature. They are making it accessible to everyone. You no longer need to be a tech whiz or a veteran developer to build something meaningful. Whether you're a school teacher with a classroom scheduling idea, a personal trainer designing a fitness tracker, or a nurse crafting a patient intake tool, these platforms give you the keys to the kingdom. Tools like Glide, Bubble, and Thunkable are removing the gatekeepers from the tech world. This has sparked a massive surge in innovation across industries, with people solving problems they personally understand, because they live them. In healthcare, for instance, clinicians are building apps to monitor chronic conditions or track medication adherence. In education, teachers are creating homework portals and interactive lesson plans on their own. This shift is giving power to the people who know the problems best, leading to solutions that are not only functional but deeply human. No longer bound by budget constraints or IT bottlenecks, creators are rewriting what's possible, one no-code app at a time. Challenges and considerations. As exciting as the no-code AI-assisted journey was, it certainly wasn't all smooth sailing. One of the first hurdles I faced was the learning curve. While these platforms promise simplicity, truly unlocking their potential required patience and plenty of trial and error. I spent hours clicking through menus, watching tutorials, and experimenting just to get the layout right or to connect one function to another. Then came the challenge of customization. Sure, drag and drop makes things easy, but achieving very specific behaviors like conditional logic or dynamic user inputs often required creative thinking or relying on third-party plugins. In many cases, I had to stack multiple tools or use sneaky workarounds to get the exact result I envisioned. Another major consideration was performance. Testing the app across different devices, screen sizes, and browsers revealed some unexpected bugs. Optimizing speed, data syncing, and user interface responsiveness took more time than anticipated. It's easy to underestimate how small issues like a slow-loading screen or misplaced button can frustrate users. And finally, scalability loomed in the background. These platforms work great for MVPs, but planning for growth meant evaluating whether I'd eventually need to transition to a more customizable tech stack. So yes, it was fun, but like any creative process, it came with a few battle scars. The future of vibe coding. Vibe coding is evolving fast, and the future looks almost magical. Soon, AI won't just follow your commands, it'll understand your intent, collaborate with you, and refine your ideas in real time. You'll be able to say, make an app that tracks moods, and it'll build a polished product instantly. AI will ask follow-ups, test for bugs, and suggest UX improvements all on its own. Tools like Figma, Notion, and Glide will work seamlessly together through a single prompt. Coding will fade into the background. Building apps will be as natural as writing thoughts in a journal, and just as fast. Embracing the AI-powered era. Just a few years ago, building an app without coding felt impossible, something only developers or wealthy startups could pull off. But in 2025, thanks to AI-powered no-code platforms, that barrier has crumbled. Now anyone with an idea and a laptop can build an app from scratch. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a teacher, or a curious hobbyist, these tools are simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. They don't just eliminate the need for code, they unlock creativity, encourage experimentation, and make building apps feel like sketching ideas on a canvas. You're not just clicking buttons, you're collaborating with AI to bring your vision to life. Bring your ideas to life. Got an app idea? Maybe it's a daily journaling tool, a workout tracker for your neighborhood group, or even something wild like a virtual pet that gives you productivity tips. Don't let your lack of coding skills stop you. Platforms like Bubble, Thunkable, and Glide are just waiting for you to drag, drop, and create something amazing. Combine that with the power of vibe coding, and you've got yourself a development setup that feels more like having a conversation than writing software. You don't need to be a tech guru, you just need the willingness to start. The future of app development isn't locked behind a screen of code, it's open, visual, and voice-driven. And it's yours to explore. If you found this journey from idea to full app inspiring, imagine what you could build next. Don't let code stop your creativity. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you bring the vision. Hit that like button if you're ready to start building without code. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, tools, and success stories.